how to transfer money from USA to India on PC. Now, first of all, we will use the Remitly website. Why Remitly? Because Remitly, it has the lowest fees to be able to send money from it. So if you use the link below to create your accounts and rates, you will benefit from your first $1,000 without any fees. Now let's get started. Now, first of all, open the Remitly websites and you will be able to see this. Now select the United States that you want to transfer from, and now to select the India as you can see here. Now what you need to do after that, select the range here that you want to send. For example, if you don't find your range here, you can type it on your own. So as you can see, this is it. Now click on get this rate. Now after that, what you need to do is just log into your account that you create. And now after that, you need to wait to load this page. Now, as you can see here, if you don't see your destination here, you can click here and you can type your destination here. In this case, it will be India. Now, after that, just wait a few seconds to load this page. And now, as you can see, now click on send money. Now here you can type the amount that you want to transfer. If you want to transfer $800, $1,000, any amount that you want to transfer, and after that select your payment method. So in this case, I will use the bank account. So if you want to debit card, as you can see, it's still the fee is 0. Bank account is the same. Credit cards, you need to pay $30. So in this case, we will use the bank account. I'll click on continue. So now as you can see, select your bank account from here. If you want UP or the bank deposit, now click on bank deposit. And as you can see, click on continue. Now select your bank from here. I will use, for this example, HDFC Bank. And now I will enter the HDFC Bank account details and I will get back to you. And now as you can see, you need to enter the recipient name. I will enter the recipient name and I will get back to you. And after that, if you want to enter the recipient number, if you don't, just click on skip. And as you can see here, you need to provide the reason for sending. In this case, select the saving and family support and click on continue. And as you can see, the last step is by adding your card to be able to enter your credit card details to be able to transfer that money. And now click on continue. Now you need to provide your email information to be able to send that money, and your recipients who will be able to receive that money. But before that, make sure to check all of the details here before going to confirm the transaction. And after that, click on transfer and your recipient will be able to receive the money. So this is how to transfer money from USA to India on PC. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.